Will be doing my crosswalk button experience in Broadway Avenue in Main Street. So I'm coming here for winter break, guys, and today is December 1st.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east. Wait.
So as you can see, traveling east, which is cool. Yeah, I saw by squished up that sign, which is not nice. So. Oh, look at that yellow car, guys. It looks really cool.
Wait to cross Broadway Avenue at Main Street. Traveling east.
So I recommend that traveling east might be on the right. Basically, if you come to the left side, it might be west.
Wait.
So we'll be crossing SR 5.
Broadway Avenue.
Let's see this one. Yeah, this one's dead, guys. Somebody broke the entire button already, that's not good. But yeah. So you can see this button's not working. Let's go run.
Walk sign is on to cross Main Street. Main Street. Walk sign is up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now we'll be crossing Broadway again. Broadway is right here. This one's dead. So this one doesn't work. This one works, which is confusing. Yep, that sign's actually ruined. Look at this. There you go. Oh shit! Dang it! I tripped on that thing. Let's hear the countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so that is my crosswalk button experience at Broadway Avenue and Main Street.